When was your first time having sex? Welcome, Arena Nation. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel where I do such thing as comedy and how to make your YouTube channel a success. Mommy.
Yaga, 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 I'm here again. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bam!
In this video today, I'll be doing question kids are afraid to ask their parents. And me ask Onopa, Instagram and WhatsApp. I wanna give me some question like say, I feel me teeth no want kick out. But me go ask because I want to know too.
You see, who know too bad. Too bad.
For excitement later in this video, continue watching.
Out.
Alright, so mommy, may I go on a little interview now? What type of question do you think I'm going to ask you?
You try know where they go ask me. I don't know.
Question children are afraid to ask their parents. What do you think about that?
I don't know. You put her in a position where she can ask me the question. She said, Jesus. Who know? Me tell.
What kind of question do you understand can give me? What type of question this? First question is, have you ever had fellatio?
What is that? Oral thing?
Yeah.
What your bride? Oh, your bride, sir.
You never?
No, under my lifetime. No boy can find for me.
No, if you ever had it, not you ever done it. Have you ever had it?
Oh, please.
Oh my God!
In what position did you make me?
Jesus. My God. 23 years, me supposed to remember? Me supposed to remember that? Eh? Boy, me think I grandma and grandpa.
Have you ever touched yourself?
No.
What kind of question them ya? How much boyfriend have you ever had in your life?
In your... Three.
Three. You didn't have one up road, mommy.
I'm not those type of girls.
Do you think oral sex is wrong?
I think so, but some people like it, so what you must do about it? I don't do it, so I think it's wrong, but people like it.
Okay. Alright. Were you a smoker or a drinker back then?
None of them. When I go to party, I just take a liquor or me not smoke none at all.
Alright.
Yep.
Alright. When can I move out?
Then I move out and go upstairs.
What age were you when you first hear about sex? Like hear about it, like somebody teach you it, or you just hear about it?
When I going to school, my sister and my cousin them.
Okay. If I was supposed to get pregnant today, in this time, and the father don't want nothing to do with the picnic, what would you do or what would you tell me?
Nothing.
No, mommy. No.
Nothing.
What you mean nothing?
Me tell you, say you see it, when they talk to you about man, and you're not listening. So that me they go tell you. Right.
Was I planned for or was I a mistake?
No way. No
So
mistake.
your daddy did plan for me?
Yeah, work
Your
for
daddy
you.
did say, alright, you want one baby.
Yeah, me work for you.
Yeah.
And I don't know me they work for you a long time.
You serious?
When was your first time?
First time what?
When was your first time having sex?
About 19 because I was dating 18. I wait for 1 year before. 1 year a date before I do that.
Alright. Did you do the things you tell us not to do when you were a kid?
No.
So you tell something that you never did when you're a kid.
Me not tell if you do nothing.
Like you would say, Abi, this war, blah blah blah.
But me never go there.
Mm.
I was a good kid growing up.
Yeah.
Yeah, and still is.
How old were you when you first had a boyfriend?
18. When I was going to school, I never had any boyfriend. After I left school, I have a boyfriend. 18.
How did you meet my father?
In Montego Bay. In Montego Bay. What you want to know again?
How did you meet
In
him?
Montego Bay, we meet and we give one another number and we start talking.
So who made the
Uh-oh.
first move?
No, most father, me no make a first move on a man. Most father.
Oh, yes, you're cute.
What's your move?
Do you enjoy social media like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and so forth?
Yes, I enjoy it.
So you say never live come here party with me.
Me no mean come the find the video.
Alright, have you ever snuck out of the house when you were smaller? Like you go party or go see somebody or whatever?
No. I was a good kid at what I said.
Why you always send me go do things that you can't do it yourself? Like why you always send me to go this way you can't do it yourself?
What Kuya? How me got you for? Me got you for work for me. Please.
Ah.
Boom. What?
I don't like gun. Alright, next question. Have you ever used a tampon before?
Yes.
Yes.
Years ago.
Years ago. Alright.
Yeah.
So, have you ever sent nudes?
No way. What me to do that? No
You ever
way.
send a boyfriend nudes?
Me not in those things. Never in those things.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
When was the last time you had sex?
Why? Me tell you. You know, if you uno bad door, I want to put her up to those things, you know. I am a Christian now and I'm about 4 here now. About 4 here.
So guys, this was the end of the video. If you do enjoy, please leave a thumbs up and remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell for future videos.
You seen? Out.